Yeah, the school is excellent, and throughout these last 3 years, our child has been more than what we expected. So we say every parent that whoever wants to get into DRS is one of the best school in this jurisdiction. Thank you very much.
When I entered in the school, at that time, in this after 3 years, I have seen drastic change in my daughter. She is very confident and very practical mind and problem solving skill and everything. She has done a very nice job. So all credit goes to DRS school. DRS school is one of the best school in Telangana state. So I always prefer that you should go to the DRS school so that your children get the practical knowledge, everything. Thank you.